Hi there, I'm going to show you how you can very quickly use LandHawk to find potential battery storage development sites. Within LandHawk, we have all the DNO substations as a layer. So you can type into the smart search here, DNO, and you'll find the substations layer will come up nice and quickly. You can turn that on. As you can see, the DNO substations have popped up on the map, and they are shown by their type, so whether they're a bulk supply point or a primary. If I dive into the Site Finder tool, as you can see here, this is one I've already run, but I have selected a 2.5 kilometer radius here, so that defines the area I want to search within. I've decided that I want to search for land parcels that are between 0.5 and 2 acres in size. I only want to find parcels that are within 2 kilometers of a bulk supply point, so I've added those rules in too. I don't want any land parcels within retail areas or ones that intersect with roads. I also only want to find land parcels that are at least 100 meters away from residential areas. So once I ran those results, I found 10 that match that criteria. I can then run the analysis against each of those to work out what constraints are associated with each of those sites. That'll run a red, amber, green traffic light assessment of risk against each one. You can then go and zoom to each site to go and have a look and eyeball each site to see if there are ever mitigating circumstances around the site, like so. And if you feel these are all useful results, or you want to do them just one by one and save them into your workspace, you can either tick them one by one and save sites, or in this case, I'm going to select all and save all the sites. These now have a green flag on them, so I can now go and see them in the workspace. I can then set up lists that take me through my workflow. So under review, for example, and owner contacted. I might want to send some letters out to some of these. I can just bring those sites through that process. You can also select the site to get a more detailed site card. You can have a look at the landowner, the constraints, and any planning applications that might intersect this particular land parcel. We've also got proximity analysis to points of interest. So if you have a look, you can see the nearest substation is the one we selected, which is 1.87 kilometers away. You can also see where your nearest national grid infrastructure is as well, if that interests you. And that is how you very quickly find land for potential battery storage development.